In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a group chat in Slack. So basically, once you're in here, go to your DMs and press this plus button. And here it says invite huddle or channel. If you want to make a group chat, press message, and then you're gonna invite all the people you want. So I'm gonna add these two. Like I'm gonna just add these people. Okay, and just write down something, and boom. As you can see, now I made a group chat. Okay, browse. To find the people that you want to add, press browse. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.